If you have a cat, you already know. Scooping litter every single day is honestly the worst part of owning one. Now imagine never scooping again. Not once. Because I'm testing the PetPivot AutoScooper 12 Lite, a self-cleaning litter box that's actually affordable. My cats and I are very excited, so let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the main litter unit, a waste drawer, plastic bags for the drawer, small snap-on legs for the bottom, a power adapter, and an instruction manual. Setup is honestly super simple. You snap the legs into the bottom, insert the waste drawer, attach the small ladder so your cat can climb in easily, add your cat's favorite litter, plug it in, and that's it. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no weird setup process. If you've never used an automatic litter box before, this is about as beginner friendly as it gets. So here's what it looks like in real use. My cats are always curious about new things, so they jumped right in like it was a normal litter box. Once she felt safe, she did her thing. And then as soon as she left, the system automatically started cleaning. The whole process takes about 2 minutes. It goes back and forth to sift everything and settle the litter evenly, so it's fresh and ready for the next use. And I really like that it doesn't start right away. It gives your cat enough time to walk away first, which makes the whole thing feel a lot safer and less stressful for them. Once it's done, all the waste goes into this enclosed drawer, which helps keep odors under control. You just pull it out, dump it, and slide it back in. Quick and easy. And honestly, it doesn't waste litter the way I usually do when I scoop manually. So it actually helps you save litter over time too. Now let's talk about safety because this part really matters. I was a little concerned about this at first, but as soon as anything gets close, it stops immediately. That's because it uses infrared sensors positioned around the entrance and inside the cleaning area to constantly detect movement. So if your cat comes back or even just reaches in, it pauses right away. There's also a weight sensor built into the base, which detects when your cat is inside or stepping back in. If it senses any weight during a cleaning cycle, it stops and won't continue until your cat is fully out. That's what makes the whole process safe and stress-free. And honestly, it gave me a lot more confidence using it around my cats every day. So here are the 3 things that really stood out to me. First, the price. Most automatic litter boxes run anywhere from $300 to $600, and this one comes in under $150, which makes it way more accessible. Second, the safety features actually work and the pause function kicks in instantly. And third, the design is compact, open top, and doesn't feel intimidating for cats at all. If you want to check it out, I've got a discount code in the description. It's valid for 180 days. So if you're tired of scooping every day, this is definitely worth trying. Hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.